I could but go to eternal hell for a moment or so, I could be a knight. A government of laws, not of men. It's Colin here with your daily dose of Will & Company's Mirror to Nature, All Things Will in the World for March the 4th. It's on this day in the year 1797 that the man who considers will to be the master of every affection of the heart and of every sentiment of the mind and of all the powers of expression is inaugurated the second president of the United States, John Adams. As a young man, John is so entranced with Will that he writes in his diary, "Let me search for the clue that led great Shakespeare into the labyrinth of mental nature." I know how John feels. There you have it. Anon, please, as liberty cannot be preserved without general knowledge among the people, subscribe and share. See you all on the morrow.